In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up expense reminders in QuickBooks Online. Expense reminders are perfect for keeping recurring costs like subscriptions, utilities, or monthly services on your radar, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This opens your settings menu, where you'll find tools that help automate your workflow. From there, choose recurring transactions. This is the control center for any template you want QuickBooks to track on a schedule or simply remind you about. Next, click New at the top right. You're creating a fresh template from scratch. When prompted for the transaction type, select Expense, then click OK. An expense template is ideal when you pay vendors directly, rather than entering a bill to pay later. We're not creating a bill or an invoice. We're just preparing a helpful nudge so you remember to create the expense when it's due. Give your template a clear, descriptive name. A name like Monthly Software Subscription Reminder makes it easy to recognize later. Then change the template type to Reminder. This is important. Reminder tells QuickBooks to notify you ahead of time without automatically creating the transaction. Enter how many days before the actual date you want to be reminded. Pick a lead time that gives you enough room to review and approve the expense. Now, set the interval, along with the start date and, if applicable, the end date. Choose the frequency that matches the expense, such as monthly or yearly. The start date should reflect when you want the reminders to begin. If there's a known end, enter it. Otherwise, you can keep it open-ended for ongoing costs. Enter the necessary details of the expense so your reminder is meaningful. Select the payee, choose the payment account, and fill in the category or account you want this expense to hit on your reports. Add the amount, description, and any class or location your company uses. If tax applies, include it, and consider attaching a sample statement or agreement for reference. Keep it clean and professional, and avoid putting any sensitive information into the memo or attachments. When everything looks good, click Save Template. That's it. QuickBooks will now alert you based on the schedule and lead time you set. When the reminder appears, you'll be ready to review and create the expense with confidence. And there you go. With this simple setup, you'll stay ahead of recurring costs and keep your books accurate and up to date.